In life and business, you need to learn how to be productive. And there's multiple ways of going about this: working harder, working smarter, working through others, leveraging AI to work for you. Now, in this time, it's more important to figure out the foundational principles and concepts to really max out your productivity in business, life, whatever it is. Now, I'm going to show you here on my screen a foundational concept that I learned that has completely changed my productivity personally. Now, when people, especially entrepreneurs, you think as you check off your to-do list, you move through it and there's less and less things. But at the higher levels of business and life, as you start doing different things, more and more problems start arising. So your checklist and to-do list of things to do actually starts to grow. Now, what most entrepreneurs do is they don't want to work a job in a 9-to-5, so they end up working for themselves and end up becoming just a high-paid consultant with more bosses and less time freedom and less financial freedom. So unless you really learn how to be productive and work smart, you trade what seems like a lack of freedom for even less freedom in your own business. Now, here's one concept that has changed my life, and I hope it does the same for you. Now, let's say each one of these dots are a project that you need to complete. For example, running paid advertising for your company, working on content creation, improving the funnel, taxes, etc. So what people will do is they will start running ads. They'll get about a third of the way done, and then they'll start working on organic content. And then they'll start on their funnel, taxes, and another project that seems urgent. And then they go back to running ads and working on their website and content and taxes and other stuff. And then they jump to their funnel and their ads and website. And you can see the process of this, of constantly switching between tasks, is you don't get the reward until you completely finish something, like your website, for example, or you completely finish actually launching the ads. You don't get the reward till you are 100% complete with it. So you see here how constantly switching tasks, you end up not getting any results for a really long time, because we've been trained in this ADHD world of short form content and all these new opportunities arising. And now you need to learn AI and Claudebot and all of these different things that are constantly coming to you and distractions, that we end up context switching in business. So one of the most important shifts you can make is to actually just let some things burn. Let some things that seem urgent sit there for a while and go through one by one and actually finish the project all the way through from start to finish. And then only then start the second project and the third and the fourth. And by the time you do this, you actually start reaping the benefits of each one's, and your other tasks may actually change. So this is just a concept that's really helped me in business to laser focus on one thing until I'm 100% done with it before switching to different tasks like working on my funnel, my website, launching ads, organic content. Go deep in one subject and finish it to the best of your abilities, because also in life and business, you're often not rewarded unless it's exceptional. And if you keep context switching from one thing to the other thing, from product to funnels to ads, you don't really have the ability to have all the necessary information in your subconscious to be excellent at it, right? There's some great books, Thinking Slow, Thinking Fast, Flow, and it talks about when you lose or switch tasks, you lose a massive amount of context. And there's a big lag in terms of actually loading what you need to do next. So when you switch from your ads to your funnel, there's about 15-20 minutes, even longer sometimes, just thinking about, okay, funnel, it requires this software, the other software, this is my goal, this is the specific task that I was working on. So there's a huge cost of context switching. So finish one project all the way through, and it's going to change your business and life.